In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Cloudflare support in live chat. So in case you've been wanting to contact live support or live chat with an agent or a support person inside the Cloudflare, here's a message I have to tell you. So in case you're using the free or the pro plan, you actually can do it. And in case you've been using the Cloudflare and been trying to reach their live chat, you won't be able to do it because sadly, the support chat that is live is only available at the business and enterprise plans of their subscriptions. So as you can see, if I scroll down a bit over here to where it says support, there we go. It says ticket support. As you can see, it's available under Pro, Business, and Enterprise. However, chat support, which is the live chat support we're looking for, is only available at the Business and Enterprise plans only. And as you can see, the business plan is billed $200 monthly, and the enterprise plan can be billed annually and is custom. Okay, so as you can see, that's the only options you have if you want to talk to their live support chat and to a live agent that will help you out. You will sadly only be able to do this on the business and enterprise options for now, in case they change this anywhere in the future. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.